Hey guys, I'm sitting in a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500, and I thought I would show you real quickly how to operate the electric mirrors and also how to fold them in. So let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is look on your driver's side door. Okay, up at the top you'll see 3 buttons, and then you'll see a round button with some arrows on it. So first thing you want to do, if you want to roll your move your mirrors in, all you do is the middle button right here. Just push the middle button, and as you can see, mirrors fold right in. If you want to put them back out, just push it again. As you can see, mirror folds right back out. All right, if you want to adjust the mirrors, okay, you have a left and a right. It's got an L and an R. So what we're going to do, if we want to adjust the driver's side mirror, we're going to push the L button, and you'll see it lights up. Then these buttons up here toggles it. So if you want it to go down, you push down, up. I'm thinking to put the camera on the mirror, and I'm going to move it and let you look. So that's all you do, is just whatever direction you want. See it going down. There's up. There's in. There's out. And it works the same way on the passenger side. If you want to do the passenger side, you just click the R button, and it does exactly the same thing over there. Well, hopefully this gives you a little information, helps you out a little bit. If it did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, catch you later.